In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kling AI image to video generator. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can transform any images to a video using Kling AI. You can generate images directly on Kling AI and then transform them into videos or import your own custom image. Either way, to do this, on the left side of the screen, go over to the AI generation category and choose image, or you can skip the video right away if you prefer. Like I said before, you can generate an image here first and then convert it into a video. So if this is what you would like to do, start by inputting the prompt for your image. Once you have the prompt good to go, choose generate as many outputs as you want. And now once the image has been generated, if you hover over it, you will see the generate video option based on this image. So now you can click this button here. Or, like I said in the start of the video, you can skip ahead to this category. This is where you can do video generation. If you chose generate video, the image will be imported here. Like I said before, you can also import custom ones. So the start image will be available for you to see. You will have some hints and some other suggestions. And here you will find the prompt, which is optional. So you can leave this blank and see the results. Either way, fill this out if you would like to give specific instructions on what it should do with this image and construct the video based off that. Then choose the amount of outputs, the duration, which is very important, which will also be limited, and then click generate. You will see that this one costs a little bit more. So if you are okay with paying this price, you just click generate, wait for this process to finish, and the video will be available here. You can now watch the video, you can download the video locally, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, generate AI sound, extend this video, lip sync, and multiple other options. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.